Okay, Emily, today we're going to work with tens and ones, okay? I'm going to show you what we're going to use pasta. And pasta is going to be like our ones, little ones units. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, can you count 5 little pasta units?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so that's 5, right? Okay, so what if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Make sure I counted 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so there's 10 here, right?
Yes.
What if I get this straw? This straw is going to be a base 10. So this straw makes 10 little pastas. You get it? Okay? So I'm going to take these away because I'm going to replace it with this. So how many is this?
10.
10. Okay. So then count 10 more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, that's 10, right? What can we do with these 10? What can we replace it with?
The ones.
There's 10 of these, right? What did we say we could replace 10 pastas with? You remember?
The other 10?
With one of the straws, right? Because the straw is what?
10.
It's 10 pastas. Remember?
Yes.
So the straw represents 10 of these, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how many do I have here? If this is 10 and 10.
20.
Good. So it's 10.
20.
Good. So that's 20 right there. Okay. All right. So we're going to play a game right here. And this is what you're going to do. So this die right here has 10s. You see? It has it's the little straws right here. And what does the straw represent?
10.
10. Okay, so it has straws here, and it has different numbers here. And then this one, it's only 1 square, 2 squares. So the little square represents how many?
1.
1. Okay, so how many do I have here?
6.
Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to have the 2 dice. I'm going to show you first.
Oh.
So I'm going to roll them, right? Okay, let me check. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
50.
50. Okay.
50.
Which is, I'm going to write it on this piece of paper. Right here, look. Whoops. Right here. It's 50, right? Okay, and then the ones I got, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4. So, here we have this chart. And here, it has hundreds, but we're not going to use hundreds. We're only going to use the 10s and the 1s because that's what we're doing. So, how many of the 10s did I get?
50.
50. And how many straws is that?
5.
5, yeah. So, what I would do, I would write 5 because it's the 10s, the 5, and then how many ones did I get?
4.
4. So what number does that make?
9.
Right here, look. The 5 and the 4. What number does that make? It makes 54. 54. You see? Because I had 5 of the long ones, which is 10, which is 50, right? And then 4 units, 4 of these, and it makes 54. Let's try that again. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to show you again. So I'm going to roll both of these. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to roll it again. Here it goes. Okay, let me count how many straws did I get. Which the straws make how many again?
10.
10, okay. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 longs, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to write what number here?
4.
4. And what does that make though? 4. This 1, 2, 3, 10, 20,
40.
30, 40. Good. And then I got, let me see how many ones I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what am I going to write in the ones?
6.
A 6. So what number did I make? Not this one anymore. But this one. What number did I make? You said it.
40.
40.
6.
Yeah, 46. Okay?
Like it now.
And I got 46. So then, if I would look at these two numbers, 54 and 46, what number is bigger? This one? This number is bigger? Yeah, 54 is bigger. I should have had a number chart. I'm sorry, I don't have that. Okay, so you can go ahead. You can have a turn now. Go ahead and start it. Okay? Okay, what number did you come up with?
3.
Okay, so how would you write it down on your chart? Which one are we going to write down first? These. And this is how many?
2.
2. Okay. So write it down. Okay. And then how many ones did you get?
3.
3. Okay. So what number did you make?
23.
Okay. So go ahead and write 23 on number 1. Okay. Now let's do it again because you have to get another one to see which one is going to be the bigger one. So roll the die again. Okay. So what number did you get now?
4. 4 and 3.
4 and 3. Okay. So where does your, go ahead and write it down. Where do you think it's going to go? Your 4, because it's the 10s. So what number did you make?
43.
Okay, so write 43 on your paper. Okay, so from 23 and 43, which one do you think is the biggest number?
43.
43. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and try that one more. Let's do it again. See if you can. Whoop. Okay, so how many 10s?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Can you say 7 10s?
7.
7 what?
7 10.
Which makes 70, right? If we would count them 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, right? Okay. And how many ones?
10.
Ooh, let's count that again. Count the ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. What number did you make now?
78.
Go ahead and write that down. We need one more so you can compare it and see which one is going to be your bigger number. Okay. Okay, so what number did you come? Which one are you going to write down first?
This one.
Which is
2.
Which would 2 would be 10,
10,
20,
20.
20, right? How many ones?
8.
What number did you make now?
28.
28. Go ahead and write it down. Now let's compare these two numbers. What two numbers did you make?
78.
And?
28.
Okay, so which one is bigger?
78.
78. Good job. You got it. See, that wasn't so bad. Now we're going to do something else. Okay, so we're going to move this one. Now we have some different ones here. So what you're going to do, it's the same thing pretty much.
But
So,
they're regular numbers.
yeah, but they're regular numbers. So here we have the tens. So we have 70, 30, 60,
90, 40.
okay? And then we have the ones.